Hello, good morning, people of the internet. So today's Saturday. It is Memorial Day weekend, and a lot of fun things happening today. So, as you can see, oh maybe not, I have some space buns on, I have a Star Wars fanny pack. Can anybody guess where I'm headed to? We are going to the Star Wars celebration at the Anaheim Convention Center. So I've never been to anything like this, so we'll see how it goes. Obviously I have to like kind of be on brand for that, which is why I did this to my hair and why I'm wearing my fanny pack, which I showed in my last haul. But the thing starts at 10, it's like 11:30 now, like it's kind of late. We woke up kind of late because we went to bed super late. So yeah, that's actually where we're headed, and I will be sure to update you guys when we have something more exciting happening. So, also my eyelash extensions are still going strong, so that's great. First up, Starbucks, obviously. At Starbucks, I ordered what I always order, the Grande Toasted Vanilla Ice Shaken Espresso. It's like heaven sent, I love it. It's my favorite drink right now, I'm like fixated on it. But yeah, we are on our way now, so let's go! Hello. Oh my gosh, my buns are a little lopsided now, but I'm gonna do an outfit of the day. I know the lighting's kind of weird here, but let's see. So I have my Stony Clover Star Wars fanny pack on. I think I showed you guys this earlier. I got this shirt on, which is from Forever 21. I just wore it because it kind of gives me like Princess Leia vibes. Yeah. And then my jeans. My jeans are mom jeans from American Eagle. And then I'm wearing my Golden Gooses for accessories. I just have on some rings. My Pandora, this is from Bubble Bar. It has my cat's name on it, Oliver. This is from here. And then I have my Pandora charm bracelet on this side. And then my hair's in space buns. They're a little lopsided now, but yeah, that's pretty much my outfit. We're gonna walk over to the exhibit hall now, I think, and see what they have over there. So we're back home now. It's like 5:30. We are actually gonna get ready to go to Disneyland now. We're gonna rest. I'm gonna change my outfit because I'm freezing. And we're gonna go see Fantasmic. Today is the first night of Fantasmic that's back, because it's back now. So, I'm so excited. If you know anything about me, Fantasmic is my favorite show. So let's... Alright guys, this is the Disney outfit. It's nothing exciting. But I have on my Mickey Fantasia t-shirt, which I think is from H&M. The Letterman's jacket from Disney, no ears, leggings, and my platform Nike blazers. So yeah, there's a mess in the back, but we are on our way. It's like 8 o'clock now. So let's go. We made it. We're in DCA right now. The Fantasmic, the next showing is at 10:30, so we're just gonna wait for that one. They have one going on right now, but it's a little crazy over there with electrical parade, fireworks, Fantasmic. So we're just gonna hang out a little bit in the calm. But yeah, right now we're just walking around. I really want ice cream, so I need to find some of that. But yeah, vibes are great. Yay, thank you. Have a great rest of your night. You too. You too. So exciting! Cheers! Hi guys, so it's actually a few days later. It's like 3 days later. No, it's like 2 days later. But I wanted to finish off this vlog because I realized that I didn't end it when I last vlogged. So yeah, I'm just gonna finish this vlog, but quickly I want to share what I got at Star Wars Celebration. So they gave us these like reusable bags. There's like the 2022 Star Wars Celebration logo, and it's a reusable bag that like folds into itself. I don't know how it works, but yes. And then I bought this little notebook. My boyfriend bought me this little notebook, and this matches exactly to my like Stony Clover stuff. Oh my gosh, the inside is so cute. Look at that. Oh my god, that's so cute. But yeah, it's got all these like cool little rubber things, and these characters are exactly like the Stony Clover characters, which is insane. And the pages are just blank. I gotta get like a cool pen to put here, but this is really cool. I like it. So I got that. And then they gave us like this lanyard, except mine's in my car, so I don't have it to show you guys. But the only other thing that I got was this t-shirt. It was from the Star Wars Celebration store. They had a ton of cool merch and a ton of cool stuff, but this is all that I got. So yeah, oh, and I feel like I showed you guys what I got at Disneyland, but I don't remember, so hang on one sec. I purchased the Scarlet Witch ears from Disneyland when we went for, what's it called? When we went to see Fantasmic. How does this work? This is like sticking, I don't know, is it supposed to like lay flat? I haven't tried these on. This is the first time I'm trying these on, but yeah. That's it. That's all that I purchased this weekend. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video or vlog, who knows, but